Well, look what came in yesterday. Hey y'all, it's April. Thanks for stopping by my crazy creative life. And in today's video, I got in, it's a little bit early, but I got in the June 2026 Curated Bead Box. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we got. It's never a surprise anymore. I liked it when it was a surprise, but but it is for you, I suppose. All right, let me flip it up. Smoky Amethyst. Amethyst, if you don't know, if you haven't heard me say, is my birthstone. And we've not had, to my knowledge, I've been with them for about 2 years now, and I don't think we've had some purples, but I don't think we had any, like, you know, amethyst. Oh. Oh. Okay. Cool. We'll look more into that here in just a second. This is, I've never seen them do this before. Let me get everything organized and we will go through it all. Okay, looks like the first one is 8mm purple gemstone style glass bead on a 10-inch string. I think those might be plastic beads. They don't feel like glass. And they're not natural stones, so I think that, I mean, they're still pretty. I'm not saying anything bad about it, I'm just saying. Number 8, we have 8mm fuchsia and green duo style glass beads. And that would be these. We have got something that looks like this before. I can't remember what it was. It was a springtimey one. I do remember that. But I remember that green and pink color together. It's got a little bit of... No, it's not black. At first I thought it was black. It's just where the pink and the green swirl, it makes it look darker, I believe. Or is that a little bit of black? No, I think it's just where the pink and the green collides, and it makes it look like that. But there's that. I think those are like a... Some of those stuck together, didn't they? That's all you have to do is pop them off. So we have approximately 1 ounce of amethyst designer bead mix. So that's that. Those are pretty. Oh, I left one. I don't know why I do it every time. I always leave something out with them. Those are pretty. But we always get a designer mix. And they're usually different colors, sizes, shapes, as you see there. Okay, the one I skipped over, 8mm gray and brown gemstone. Now these are a true gemstone. I'm guessing an agate. I'm not positive on that though. Then we have approximately 1 ounce of black and silver designer bead mix. That's this. Oh, those are pretty. They're very shiny, very sparkly. And that is real pretty. It's got more of black there, and then it's clear, but it's also got, that is vitriol. I know that's vitriol. I love vitriol. It doesn't say it on here, but I know that's what that is. Now that, I'm not sure. It's almost like a metallic coating. Next, we have approximately 2 ounces of 12 by 8 millimeter crystal peanut beads. Yeah, be these. Next, we have a 20 millimeter length black tube glass bead. There are 10 beads. Let me read that again. 20 millimeter length black tube glass beads. And there's, okay, here we go. One, two, three, four, five, six. Well, if I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Did that say glass? Yeah. It's glass bead. Maybe those are glass too instead of plastic. I don't know, but I still think those are plastic. Next, we have 14 by 10 millimeter black twisted oval glass bead, and there's 8. I believe that's these. Yeah, those are pretty. I don't know if you can see the twist or not. Then we have 42 by 38 millimeter, hold on. Then we have 16 by 12 millimeter black oval glass beads, and there are 5. Looks like olives. Why does everything remind me of food? I've just noticed that. Okay. Then we have a 42 by 38 millimeter Tree of Life silver metal pendant. And that is this guy. That is pretty. Then we have 0.8 millimeter silver wire for bead wrapping, 1.2 meter spool. So we have never had metal wire before. So we've got a little bit, and it's 20 gauge. This 0.0 millimeter is 20 gauge. And then they always give us a finding starter kit, which it's always got Jumprings, that's elastic wire, there's ear wires, lobster clasp, there's head pins, that's memory wire, that is beading wire, and then there's crimp tubes. So, but this time we've got this memory wire. All right, let's look at this real quick. How to make a miniature beaded wire tree. So you cut 18 pieces of 4-inch wire. So you cut that. Secure a bead on each piece of wire. Braid the piece of wire together to create the branch and the trunk of the tree. So I guess you bring it on down. Oh no, that's not that. This is making your own. Okay. And braid the pieces together. Then mount your tree on a rock or a decorative plate with hot glue. And that tells you how to, you know exactly how to do it. So, and I guess you can go to this video, this YouTube video, and it shows you how to make a beaded wire tree. So that's pretty cool. Like I said, they've never done anything like this before, or not since I've been with them. I'll just say that. Okay, so that's it. It's this is a lot of different stuff, so I'm gonna have to really put my thinking cap on and figure out some pretty stuff to make with this. But it's very classy looking to me. I don't know, with just the deep purples and then your blacks and your silvers and some of like your almost crystal sort of. Just looks very elegant to me. Okay, so that is it. This is June 2026 Curated Bead Box, Smoky Amethyst. And I'll be back soon, hopefully, and we'll start working on this bad boy and see what we can get made. I still have one more thing I would like to get made. What the heck is today anyway? Hey, Google, what is today?
It's Sunday, May 31st, 2026.
Well, today's the last day of the month, so this really isn't all that early. I got it yesterday, so I got it, what, 2 days early? But there is one more in that May, the May kit that I wanted to make. If you've seen any of my videos for the May, there was like those little silver starfish. There was enough for a necklace and a pair of earrings. Well, there was 3, so you do whatever you want to with it, but I wanted to make a necklace and a pair of earrings. I still may try to do that. I don't know, we'll see. But I definitely need to get this going too. So anyway, I'll shut up now. And I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. And I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. And I'll talk to y'all on the next one. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, you may want to check out my previous video or my previous series. Talk to you soon.